How to change the keyboard on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch to a different keyboard on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on General Management. From there, tap on Keyboard. Right here, tap on Default Keyboard. At this point, you'll see a list of all the keyboards currently installed on your device. Moving on, tap on the keyboard you want to switch to, and it will be set as your default right away. Following this, open any app with a text field and tap on it to bring up your keyboard. Once done, you'll notice the new keyboard is now active and ready to use. If you don't want to keep changing the keyboard by going to Settings every time, you can toggle on the options that says Keyboard button on navigation bar. It'll show a little icon that allows you to change your keyboard on the go. Finally, to check, open any text field to pop out your keyboard. And at the bottom left, you can see the little keyboard icon, which you can tap to change your keyboard directly without going to Settings. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the keyboard on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss a single upload. See you in the next one.